Hello, welcome to Arab Business. Egypt's Prime Minister Ibrahim Mehleb says the cabinet has approved a long-awaited draft law on investment aimed at making deals less vulnerable to legal disputes or changes in government and reducing stifling bureaucracy. The investment law aims to create a one-stop shop to make Egypt more attractive to foreign investors and is also expected to protect investors from changes in the price of land agreed to in contracts with the government. Iraq's Finance Minister Oshiar Zebari says Iraq is discussing a possible bond issue worth nearly $6 billion with Deutsche Bank and Citibank as part of its efforts to cover a huge projected budget deficit this year. To fund the deficit, Zebari says the Finance Ministry was looking at measures including the bond issue, borrowing from state banks, and converting some Iraqi bank assets held with the central bank into bonds. It might also consider raising money through forward sales of oil if the cabinet rejects plans for the 10-year bond issue. Emirates NBD, Dubai's largest bank, has picked 6 banks to arrange investor meetings across Europe starting Monday ahead of issuing a potential benchmark bond. A document from lead arrangers showed that ENBD has mandated Bank of America, Merrill Lynch, BNP Paribas, Deutsche Bank, HSBC, ING and itself to arrange investor meetings. The lender did not mention the currency of the potential bond sale in the document. Moving on to Saudi Arabia, National Shipping Company of Saudi Arabia, Bahri, plans to sell 10-year sukuk worth 3.9 billion riyals by the end of March to repay debt and for general business purposes. Bahri became the sole provider of very large crude carrier crude oil shipping services to Saudi Aramco after it purchased the marine unit of the giant in a deal first announced in 2012, but which was completed last year. And finally, a look at the stock markets. Most Gulf markets were in the red, while Egypt pulled back slightly. The main Saudi index fell 0.2%, Abu Dhabi and Egypt's stock index slipped 0.1%, Dubai slipped 0.2%, Oman edged down 0.3%, and Qatar was down 1.3%. That's all for now. For more updates, please visit levant.tv. Thanks for watching and bye for now.